If you're planning to submit your application for Canada, whether it is through study permit route or work permit route, please be very careful while mentioning your work experience details. If you have any work experience outside Canada, for example, you have work experience from India, from Middle East, any part of the world, please do mention while applying for your study permit or while applying for your work permit. The reason is, when you come to Canada and later on apply for your permanent residency, you can claim points. Apart from your Canadian work experience, you can also claim points for foreign work experience, and that eventually will increase your CRS. But if you have not mentioned your work experience back home in your initial application, and then later on you mention about that work experience, that can lead to misrepresentation. So please be very careful whichever route you are applying and whatever details you mention from the very beginning of the process. If you have any questions, please contact us today and we will provide you a genuine advice for the same. Thank you.